James Monroe Elementary School Lego Mindstorms Robot Inventor Grant.
Lego.
Whoa. Awesome!
Can I hold it?
Yes. Would you hold it for me? Okay, would you
Drop
hold
the
it up over here?
robot. Wait.
According to the Washington Alliance for Better Schools, students will exclude themselves from potential futures in STEM careers by the age of 10. Through play-based learning, students have an opportunity to develop skills for the future. Lego Mindstorms gives students an opportunity to apply what they've learned on many other coding sites, such as Scratch and Tinker, to a real-life application to move a robot. Build teams provide students opportunities to develop critical collaboration skills. Finally, Mr. Jones, a chief class at Monroe Elementary School, would like to give a warm thank you to EPSF for being such a strategic partner in developing and providing resources to support innovation and excellent education for all learners in Everett Public Schools. Thanks again.